of Elmer's glue into your bowl. So that's a lot of glue and it's really, really satisfying. Then you can scoop it out with your spoon. Then you'll mix in any color of your choice. So just put as much as you want until you get the color that you want. I'm gonna put just a little bit, and I'm putting washable paint, and then you'll mix until you get the color that you want. You need 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and then mix. Here's the awesome surprise! I'm putting in glitter to make it really pretty. So I'm just going to shake in the glitter and then mix. So lots of fun, pretty, colorful glitter. It's gonna make it really nice. Mix, glitter burst. Time to add the most important ingredient, our contact lens solution, the activator. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon. So this is how it looks. It looks a bit wet and wiggly. So we're going to add 1 more tablespoon of contact lens solution. It's so good. It's really, the activator is really working. It's really getting out of the bowl, but we're not ready to play yet. Just mix until the water of the contact lens solution is kind of gone. Start the most exciting step of them all, playing with your brand new slime. Our slime came out amazing. You can stretch it, you can squish it. Hey, why aren't you putting my slime in the video? Well, I was just making my awesome slime recipe. I didn't know that you were gonna come along too. See, teal is a really